welcome to this new video in which I am now upgrading Windows 10 to Windows 11. So just to get you in context, in case you haven't seen the previous videos, I bought a new Ultrabook, Asus ZenBook 13.3 inches. And it's brand new. I just unpacked it 2-3 hours ago, and that was a surprise. I didn't know. We are now 12th of October 2021. Windows 11 is brand new, and I got a new laptop with Windows 10. And during the initial setup, I was offered to upgrade to Windows 11. So that's what I am doing now. I have been downloading all the data, the updates for my brand new computer for 1 hour. And since about an hour, again, Windows 11 is upgrading, is installing. And as you can see, Windows 11 just finished to be installed, and I can restart to finish installing it, to upgrade my laptop to Windows 11. So in the previous video, actually, I thought it was upgrading to Windows 11, but no, all it was doing, it was upgrading. Well, Windows 10 was updating my software, my drivers, and everything. And when it came back to the desktop, I was still on Windows 10, and actually the Windows 11 installation would just start. It was downloaded, but not yet installed. But now I can apparently restart to finish the installation of Windows 11. So let's install it now and see together how it unfolds. So my computer is now restarting, hopefully to start on Windows 11. It has just been installing for 1 hour, so I really hope that now the update being installed is with Windows 11. It will be faster than before. I stopped the previous video because it was too long. So yeah, updates are underway. It should be updating Windows 10 to Windows 11. While we are waiting, if you enjoyed this video, if you are interested in knowing more about Windows 11, about productivity tips, business tips, and more, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please like it. Also, turn on the bell to get notifications on YouTube about my channel. If you like it, please share it. That would mean a lot to me. So thanks in advance, and in any case, thanks for watching, thanks for listening. If you have any comment, of course, you know where the comments are, below the video. You can also, if you are seeing this video directly from my website, you can comment at the bottom of the article. In the description, if you are watching on YouTube, I will put all the links to access my full article, access more content about business, about IT, about Asus ZenBook as well. So in the first video that I recorded, I was unpacking it. In the second video, I was opening it, so starting for the first time my brand new computer. And in the third video, installing the updates, I was hoping to then end up on Windows 11, but no, it was only Windows 10 updating, and Windows 11 still had to be installed, which should be the case now. So after an hour of installation, Windows 10 told me that Windows 11 can be installed, but it was already installing for 1 hour. So now I'm not really sure about what updates are being performed, but we will know it soon. 100% complete. So let's see what happens. I am, of course, very curious, and I bet you are curious as well if you are watching this video. Okay, now it is configuring. So it was installing the first time, then it was updating. Now it is configuring. What will be next? I'm very curious. So again, I did not expect to be able to install Windows 11 as this brand new computer. I got a bargain at 1,200 euros, about 1,300, 1,350 US dollars. Here in Poland, I bought it in Poland. I got, because I bought it, I was watching it during the night, and yeah, they offered me a bigger discount, and it is restarting now. Okay, so let's focus and see if I end up with my new Asus ZenBook on Windows 11. Oh, okay. So it is working again on updates. I'm not sure if the updates will ever end. It keeps updating, restarting, starting another update. Okay. So again, to get you in context, if you have not seen the previous videos, I got this latest ZenBook 13 with 32 gigabytes RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, graphic cards Intel Iris Xe, Intel Core, the processor an Intel Core i7, etc., etc. So very good configuration, one of the best you can have now, let's say in a mid price, so more than 1,000 euros, so not the cheapest ones, but also not the most expensive ones that can be 5,000, 10,000 euros, dollar, whatever currency you are using. So which the very expensive computers would be with 64 gigabyte RAM, but it's very rare. Most of the computers sold actually are with 8, 12, 16 gigabyte RAM, and I was really looking for 32 gigabyte. So that's the best deal I found. It's half price compared to most of its direct competitors, such as the Microsoft Surface Pro 4 that will be out next year, 2022, in February, which will have the exact same amount of RAM, the exact same graphic card, also 1 terabyte SSD, so pretty much exactly the same, and will be sold more than twice the price. And it's the case also with most Ultrabook being sold now with 32 gigabyte RAM and 1 terabyte. They are at least 2,000 euros. They are most likely, most of them at 2,500. So twice what I paid for this computer. The main reason being the screen. So my computer screen, this screen that you are looking at now, only has a resolution of 1920 by 1080, and it is not a touch screen. Well, I'm not sure if you are watching this video, if you have a touch screen, if you have heard about anyone that has a touch screen on his laptop and uses it, really use, I mean, except the first time to play around, but really has a use of it to pay so much for probably nothing. I'm pretty sure I would not use it. Like I have a touchpad, I have a wireless mouse. I don't need to touch my screen and have to clean it even more often. Not my laptop screen. And regarding the resolution, it's a small laptop, 13 inches, very light, 1.07 kilogram. Well, I'm not sure what I would do with a bigger resolution. Probably it will be nicer, but honestly, I don't have real use of it. When I need a bigger resolution, usually I'm at home, I have my 4K TV on the wall, I just share my screen and watch on the TV, share the computer screen and watch on TV. And like if you have an office or you are doing anything serious where you need a bigger resolution, I guess it's better for you to afford to get yourself an external screen, a larger screen, and to work on it. So I don't really see the use of having a larger resolution on a 13 inches laptop. So in my case, maybe it won't fit everybody's use, but in my case, at least, even if I do a lot of video editing, I create videos like well, this one and others. I work on pictures for my websites and many other things. So for me, I already have a laptop, another ZenBook, an older one with the same resolution, and I'm pretty happy with the screen. I never had any issue. I only changing because I didn't have enough RAM. Really, now I had 8 gigabyte RAM. It's limited. So I am switching to this new laptop with 32 gigabytes RAM and everything better except the screen resolution, but it's perfectly fine for me. It's more than enough on this small size. So 13 inches, it's very nice for traveling. It's very light. only a little more than 1 kilo. It's easy to put in your bag, take it under your arm and go wherever you have to go. You can easily hide it in your backpack. It's very, very easy to move around with it for whatever you need. So yeah, that's why I want to stay on 13 inches. And of course, if you need bigger resolution, bigger screen, then maybe consider another type of laptop, and then this is not for you, or consider an external screen, but for 13 inches, that's really a bargain. We are still waiting for the updates to finish. Everything takes so much time, and as I see that is very, very, very slow, if it keeps being that way, let's take a break. So let's meet each other again once we will be closer to 100% update. And here we go. We just reached 100%. The last percentage point went very fast. Are we now starting on? Yes, yes, yes. Now this is different. Now this should be Windows 11. Can it recognize me? Hello, hello. Yes, it does recognize me, and we are now supposedly starting Windows 11. It does look a tiny bit different. So, what's happening? Welcome, welcome, yes. Still configuring, still starting up. Looks like it was endless. The download, the installation, the restart, the configuration, well, it was endless. So, what is happening now? So, I'm supposedly now logging in on my laptop on Windows 11 that has just been installed. The camera did recognize me, and is supposed now to unlock Windows 11. So I have a built-in face recognition, laptop built-in face recognition functionality that unlocks my laptop based on my face. I'm a bit surprised because for previous laptop I had fingerprint recognition, and on this new laptop I don't know why it is. I didn't see it. So Windows supposedly 11 is now doing things more and more. I do not have yet mouse access. I am trying to move my mouse, but nothing shows up. So in total, this process is now taking close to 3 hours. Oh, here we are. Windows 11. First start of Windows 11. Bravo. So that's it. We are now in Windows 11. I am discovering as we speak. Task Manager was open before the update, and it is opening alone again. Okay, but I'm not much interested in the task. So again, it's a brand new laptop. I did not install anything. Somehow WhatsApp is coming from OneDrive that I connected to this laptop. And the Windows menu that was previously on the left is now in the middle. So let's have a first look at Windows 11. If I right click on the desktop, I can select my icons. Okay, this is pretty standard. Sort icons, refresh, add new documents on the desktop. I can display settings, personalize. Okay, let's have a look at the new Windows menu, one of the main functionalities of Windows, the Start menu, which actually wasn't so useful in Windows 10 because whenever you need something, just go in search and get what you want. It's usually faster than looking here. So here we go. I open my Windows menu, and this is the new Windows 11 Start menu. And I don't know about you, but I am pretty lost looking at this menu. So we were used to a Start menu that gives you a list of everything you have. Here you have a list of the I guess they are supposed to be the most used applications on your desktop, on your computer, and you can still go to all apps. So here you have the list of all apps inside of your on your computer. Okay, no big change here. You can turn off, I guess, with the power button. You can sleep, shut down, and restart. Okay. And of course, you can search. So, for example, if I want to search for, I don't know, for WhatsApp, because WhatsApp should be installed. So here I have WhatsApp mobile application. And oh, so it's downloading. Okay, I only have Bing installed at the moment. So Bing, I mean Microsoft Edge with Bing by default. So that's what will launch when I look for something. Okay, so I thought it was installed, but no, I have to download. So what products do we have? Microsoft Store, Mail, my Asus, because it's an Asus computer. Okay. Chat, I don't know what's that. I have widgets. Let's have a look at widgets. So it's not new in the world of computers, but actually, I'm not sure if there was any on Windows 10. I did not use any. So yeah, there's a few widgets that I guess you can add on the desktop. Not really sure what they use, because I don't know about you, but I use my laptop for work, and I like never ever see the desktop, because, well, I'm working. I'm not having a look at an empty desktop. You always have applications, word processor, spreadsheet, whatever, PDF open. I like never see the desktop, except when there's an update and I have to restart my computer like once a month or something like this. Otherwise, I never ever see the desktop. But okay, so we can add a few widgets on Windows desktop, the Meteo, Finance, League One. I am not sure why it is in French. Maybe because I set up my country as France, even though my computer language is UK English, United Kingdom English. Okay, some news. Well, whatever. I'm not really interested in that on my computer. I have it on my mobile phone personally, but let's try to add Meteo. So I click, drag and drop, and okay, and I have okay, something on my desktop. That's not what I expected when I was using a widget. I mean, I was expecting kind of the same behavior as on mobile phone. You open your list of widgets, you select your widget, you drag and drop on your phone desktop, on Android at least, and then you have your okay, and then you you have your widget showing interesting things, like news showing news, Meteo showing Meteo. Okay. Okay. So these widgets actually are not desktop widgets. It's just a menu that opens with stuff. Okay, so that's totally useless, at least for me. Oh, you can. Oh, so this is nice. So you can manage a few desktop at the same time with Windows 11. I am not sure what for, but you can have several desktops. I mean, we have Windows already. It's kind of duplicating the behavior that existed on Linux for 15 years, also on Apple, on iOS, on Macs for a long time, for 10 years. They branched out Unix core. Yeah, where we can have various desktop. It's not so, well, maybe some people have a use of it, at least I don't. Okay, and then how to personalize this taskbar. So, taskbar settings. Okay, I can personalize it. That's nice. Search on, task on. Okay, I don't want widgets, so I don't use them. If I don't like something, can I just... Oh, so on this taskbar, I just try to right-click on this, because I was expecting a menu where I can like remove it, pin it. No, but I right-click, nothing happens. What about other application? My Asus, I can, by right-clicking, open it, unpin, and access other functionalities depending on the application. Okay, so widgets and desktop and this chat, I have no idea what it is, are by default. Okay, let's go back to settings. I don't want this chat. I don't want this task view. I don't want anything useless. Okay, I can ask the touch keyboard, virtual touchpad. Nice, this is nice because it's easy to access. In my previous laptop, I had some keyboard keys that got broken, so it was very nice to always access the touch keyboard. Here it's very easy to find. Pen menu, okay, I'm not sure what it is, but might be useful for presentations. Oh, and that's in the corner. Okay, so here we go. Here I have my different keyboard layouts. I use a few. I have here my so quick access to open applications, and yeah, and here grouped together I have Wi-Fi, sound, and charging, and with a few clicks I can access Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, turn it on or off, flight mode, computer flight mode, battery saver, but somehow I'm not allowed to do anything, night mode, more accessibility settings, and more. So that's all. So, and the notifications also changed a lot compared to Windows 10. It looks like, well, it's coming from the right side of the computer. Before it was coming from the bottom. Not sure what's the difference. But okay, that's all. So Windows 11 is installed. I am not exactly sure why I could see it written somehow. The task manager is very similar. Well, not to say it's actually the same. So, well, that's the first look at Windows 11. The start menu changed a little bit. The search menu changed a little bit, but not so much. And yeah, that's pretty it. So I will, of course, keep using it and keep playing with it. If something interesting comes up, I will most likely record a new video about it. But for a first look at Windows 11, that's it. It took about 3 to 4 hours to upgrade my brand new Windows 10 computer to Windows 11. I now have access to Windows 11 and I can start playing around with Windows 11. So thanks for watching, and again, please like this video if it was useful, subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and activate the notification. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Windows 11 if you already have access to it.